Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making platter potatoes. You may be wondering what that is, but they're awesome at the end, so keep watching to know how to make them. For this recipe, we're going to be needing 1 kg of sliced potatoes. They should be around ½ an inch thick, so you want them to be like this. You need 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of kalonji or black seed, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, along with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm gonna pour all the spices here. Take the olive oil, measure out 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's this special way which I like to mix my marinations. Close the box, shake it, and you can see it's done within 2 seconds. Mixed evenly, haha. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring a frying pan over here and put our potatoes into this and cook them. Stove off. And we're gonna cook these till the potatoes are soft. Potatoes have been cooking and they are finally ready. They look amazing, don't they? You guys should really try this recipe and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you there. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!